This is a magic dust cleaning sponge that was sent to me for the purpose of this review, and I'm going to show you how to use these. It comes 4 in a package. They're all individually wrapped. I already unwrapped this one. You can use it dry or wet for your dusting. Your dust particles will get trapped in these ripples on the sponge so that you don't just spread the dust around. And I'm going to show you how we use this. This is a really dusty ceiling fan, and as you see, I'm going to go across the side and then I'm going to swipe across the top, and you can see a clear line of dust just cleaned up from that sponge. It all gets trapped in the grooves of the sponge. This is a U-shaped groove design to trap the dust without worrying about it flying into the air. These are affordable, convenient to use, and you just wash them out with water afterwards. Baseboards also are very dusty, so I wanted to show you this. This is me cleaning my baseboard, and you will see how much dust I got from my ceiling fan and a couple of baseboards out of my bedroom. This is so nasty, so I'm going to show you how easy it is just to clean it right out in the sink. You just dampen with water, rinse it all out. It comes right out the grooves and into your sink. Afterwards, just set it out to dry and you can use it again later. You can squeeze the sponge for all the excess fluid to get squeezed out and use it again.